Hey,
Aries.
what's up mga Hamsis? This is my annual reading for you mga Aries Sun Moon Rising. Okay? Diretsahan na to. So, this will resonate with anyone who's watching this. Pwede mag-resonate sa inyo. Pag hindi, let it go. Pwede sa iba ito i-share para sa mga mahal sa buhay. Right? So, like can resonate anytime ito mapanood. Okay, it doesn't really matter if it's 2026 or what, but this is meant for those who are watching this for this incoming 2026. Four of Hearts. Oh my god, I'm so excited for you because this means that you're going to be more happy when it comes to love life. Okay, mas magiging shining and bright ang ating pag-ibig. Especially sa first 4 months ng taon. Okay, first 4 months or last 4 months of taon, may kaligayahan sa pag-ibig or it can be a very relaxing love story. And most of you will definitely have a relaxing and long-term relationship. Maging ang inyong pakikipag-ibigan, pagkakaroon ng mga network, new friends, establish connections when it comes to earning money can also happen, okay? Pwedeng dahil din sa kaibigan, kaya mo nakilala ang inyong love life, ang inyong karelasyon, kung sakali nasa relasyon na, some partnerships, casual partnerships, or work-related things, business-related things can enhance your love story. Okay? Next, 3 diamond. There's a travel journey. So, big chance na kayong dalawa ay mag-domestic or international travel or movement. May magsisettle down, may lipat ng bahay, or mag-live in together, or ikakasal in having their own home. Pero may travel yun, may journey, merong distinct related sa paglalakbay. Okay? And you really need to have travel, journey, or movement para magkaroon ng physical connection. May ilan na makakaranas ng uncertainties when it comes to your feelings, how you feel about it, your sexuality, ganyan. But it's all a lie. Kasi walang daw lahat. Yung mga bagay na hindi mo sigurado at walang valid. Walang ebidensya, walang confrontation, walang kasiguraduhan, those things shouldn't matter anymore, okay? Actually, there are secrets na marireveal, pero yung mga sikretong yun, mapapatunayan mali yung assumption or yung mga chika-chismisan or yung unang inisip na hindi maganda, mapapawalang bisa yun kay later on. Okay, paglipas ng mga panahon, ng araw, depende. Especially if it's really your love story or love life or partnership. Okay? So, let's see tungkol naman sa career ng aking Aries Sun Rising. Cleansing, well, there's a situation of not letting go of a certain career or work. Ilan sa inyo ayaw nyo pang i-let go yung work niyo. Ilan sa inyo nasaktan bago makalet go or lipat or mag-level up ng position, okay? Because you want to make sure that you're happy or gusto ng puso mo. Pero unfortunately, sa lot, hindi naman sa lahat ng oras lagi pumapabor sa atin. But this means that you will definitely follow your heart. Even sa career, may darating na 2026. Okay? There's a gate of triumphs. Alam mo sa sarili mo na nag-uumpisa na ang bagong yugto ng buhay mo at inuumpisahan mo to sa pagpasok sa isang sitwasyon na alam mo magiging successful ka. Last, and you have to stay focused for you to make this happen. Okay? Ang message naman ng aking tarot card for you, Aries Sun Moon Rising, Seven of Cups, pray, believe, and have deep faith. Be more connected with spirituality mo. May mga non-tangible things talaga sa buhay natin na mapapatunayan mong pwedeng maging tangible in real life sa mga susunod na buwan ngayong taong 2026. Okay? Yung akala mo fantasy lang, hindi na reality. And you will be able to take care of it. You want to be taken care of. You want to nourish it. You want to hug or grab that opportunity. Definitely you will. At ang mensahe ng aking tatay for you, Sun Rising, Aries. There's really a travel to another country. Kahit na daw sobrang toxicity na, sobrang ang hirap na mangyari, kahit na ang gulo-gulo na nangyari, ganyan. But, in the past, if you remember na kung nakapaglakbay ka, if you traveled a long journey with your family or loved ones, this is just another chance. Naging single ka noon or solo mo siyang nagawa noon ngayon hindi na pwede kasama na ang pamilya, you'll be very proud of yourself not to be broken-hearted because of you want to stay in a live-in situation or in a staycation or in a certain place, last but not the least. But your body will definitely put you to the right place. Kahit na daw may love triangle or para maiwasan ng love triangle.